Yay, another exercise with STOMPI. Herskryf die volgende sinne in die korrekte volgorde volgens STOMPI. Begin met die onderstreepte gedeeltes. Onderstreep is underlined parts, okay? So, let's just revise what STOMPI stands for. S is for subject. And then you put the verb in there, verb 1. So it's actually STOMPI. if you want to remember it like that. So verb 1 comes just after the S. Then we have T for time, O for object, M for manner, P for place, verb 2 comes in there again, and then we have the infinitive. Now, a subject is like something that you can say, die meisie. Verb 1 is the working word. Time is the place of the time that it's taking place. The object is the thing that it's being done to. The manner is the way it's being done. The place, it's where it's being done, like in the kitchen. Verb 2 is usually the main verb. This is usually the helping verb. And then the infinitive is om te. Okay, so ons begin by nommer 1. Ons het die volgende woorde. Saterdag, die meisie, klim, wil, die berg. Okay, let's rather use the one that doesn't have the answers with it, and then I'll show you the answers afterwards. So ons het Saterdag, die meisie, klim, wil, en die berg. Now, we're going to start with die meisie, so that is obviously the subject. Yes? En Saterdag is the time. Klim is a werkwoord, so that will be verb 2, I'm guessing. Verb 1 is the hulpwerkwoord. It helps the main verb. And that is verb 1. And die berg is the object. So, the answer will be die meisie wil Saterdag die berg klim. And that translates to the girl wants Saturday the mountain climb. It's funny, hey? Okay, ons kyk na nommer 2. Ons het om die Kaap te besoek, hou daarvan, toeriste. Ons begin met die onderstreepte, toeriste, so that is definitely the subject. Hou daarvan is to like something, so ons sal sê, that's the verb 1, en om te, we have there is the infinitive. So, the answer will be, toeriste hou daarvan om die Kaap te besoek. And the translation would be that I didn't write here. Tourists like it, basically, to the Cape to visit, basically. Funny. Alright, number 3. Ons het gekoop, het 'n avontuur tydskrif, ons, by die winkel en elke maand. We always start with the underlined. Ons begin met die onderstreepte, so dit is ons is die subject. Gekoop is most likely verb 2. Het is the helping verb. So dit is die hulpwerkwoord, so dit's verb 1. 'n avontuurstydskrif is the object. By die winkel is the place. En elke maand is, well, basically the regularness, so that I would say the infinitive, because that just happens every month. So die antwoord hierso is, ons het elke maand 'n avontuurstydskrif by die winkel gekoop. So elke maand is the time, elke maand is the time. So ons het elke maand 'n avontuurtydskrif by die winkel gekoop. So, hier het ons die translation. We have every month an adventure magazine at the shop bought. Number 4. Ons het die woorde neem, Om die toer te onthou, foto's, see, foto's with that little S, it's a meervoud, en die meeste mense. Ons begin altyd met die onderstreepte, soos die meeste mense is the subject, neem is the verb, om die toer te, om te is the infinitive, en foto's is the object. So, the answer is die meeste mense neem foto's om die toer te onthou. So, the translation of that is, the most people take photos to the tour to remember. Never gets funnier. Alright, nommer 5. Het die seun lui om die program te kyk voor die TV gister en gesit. Ons begin met die onderstreepte, die seun is the subject, het is 'n hulpwerkwoord, so say to have, so that's verb 1 most likely, lui is the manner, to lazy, om die program te, om en te is the infinitive, voor die TV is the place, gister is the time, en gesit is the verb. So the answer will be, die seun het gister lui voor die TV gesit om die program te kyk. And the translation of that is, the boy had yesterday lazily in front of the TV set to the program to watch. Nommer 6. Ons het die woorde sal, bel, ons, die reisagentskap en môre. So ons begin met die onderstreepte en dit is die reisagentskap is die subject. Sal is 'n hulpwerkwoord, so that's most likely verb 1. Bel is to call, that's verb 2. Ons is the object for us, en môre is the time. So the answer to that is, die reisagentskap sal môre ons bel. And the translation for that is, the travel agency will tomorrow us call. Nommer 7. Elke oggend drink in die kombuis die man vars melk. Ons begin altyd met die onderstreepte, die man is die subject, elke oggend is the time, drink is the verb, in die kombuis is the place, en vars melk is die object. So die antwoord daarvan is, die man drink elke oggend vars melk in die kombuis. And the direct translation of that is, the man drinks every morning fresh milk in the kitchen. Hier is ons by nommer 8. Ons het die woorde het, die jongvrou, die berg, om die uitsig te aanskou, vinnig en uitgeklim. So ons begin altyd met die onderstreepte, die jongvrou is die subject, het is 'n hulpwerkwoord, it helps the big verb, so dit is verb 1, die berg, 'n object, om die uitsig te aanskou, en om en te is the infinitive, vinnig is the manner, en uitgeklim is die verb 2, most likely. Right, let's see here the answer. Die jongvrou het die berg vinnig uitgeklim om die uitsig te aanskou, And the direct translation of that is, the young woman had the mountain quickly climbed to the view to see or to admire. Alright, nommer 9. Ons het in jou tas die sonskerm en altyd en die woord is. So ons begin altyd met die onderstreepte woord wat die sonskerm is en dit is die subject. In jou tas is where it is in your bag, so that's the place. Altyd is the time, is always, and is the werkwoord. So that's verb 1. It's because it's a hulpwerkwoord. We don't have a verb 2, though, which is funny. Nou, kom ons kyk wat is die antwoord. Die sonskerm is in jou tas. So maklik is dit. And the direct translation of that is the sunscreen is in your bag. The only sentence in this whole thing that translates very nicely. Okay, nommer 10. Ons het die woorde moet, by die rivier, hulle waterbottels, almal en volmaak. Ons begin altyd met die onderstreepte en dit is almal. So dit is die subject. Moet is die verb 1 for sure. Dit is 'n hulpwerkwoord. By die rivier is the place. Hulle waterbottles, bottles is die object en volmaak is verb 2. Kom ons kyk na die antwoord. Almal moet hulle waterbottels by die rivier volmaak. And if we translate that directly, everyone must their water bottles at the river full make, if you translate that word. And that's it. That is the STOMPI vir Hersienings van die siklustoets van 26 Januarie 2021.